Straight away I will not jump into the coding today. Okay, now what I will do, I will teach you something like how this Jupyter notebook works. Okay, here by default your cells will be in a coding mode, means you are writing a code, and if you are executed that you will get the output or error. But I just want to make some note. Okay, I just want to make some note. For example, if I turn this one, I will delete this. If I say heading, okay, I taken as a heading, and you can say here, you can give the heading here. Okay, you can say that. Okay, this no longer uses a heading, so we can use a double hash or single hash for a heading, it says. Okay, so heading is taken away. That is what I wanted to show. Okay, second one is a markdown. We have a markdown. What do you mean by markdown? Markdown is nothing but to make some note. For example, any markdown will start with a hash mark, give a space. After hash mark, give a space. I say welcome to Python basics. Okay, and if I execute, shortcut for the execute is, I just write here double hash mark. I have given double hash and give a space. Shortcut for run code is, okay, shift enter. Hold shift and enter. When you hold shift and enter, you will be executed, or you can go with a run. Okay, hold shift and enter. So here you can see this is in a heading because only one hash mark I have given, right? If you double click, you can edit again. If you double click on that, one hash mark is given, so it become a heading. If I give a two hash mark, it become a subheading, means bit smaller font size, right? If I give a three hash mark like this, three, then space. Okay, we need to give the space, then only it will convert it to markdown. Then if I say here we will learn how to write markdown. Okay, you can see much smaller font. Okay, if I give the four hash mark, again smaller. 5 again smaller, means number of the hash mark if you are increasing, the font size also coming down. Single hash mark will be for heading, double hash mark for the subheading, and 3 or 4 hash mark to give the paragraph or to write it down some of the things. Okay, whenever you would like to make a note down in your Jupyter file, what you need to do? First, we need to select the particular line. First, we need to select that particular cell. By default, it will be in a coding, so we need to turn into the markdown. Okay, we need to turn into markdown. Then here it will turn off this input, right? Means it is nowhere coding now. Then to write anything, like if I write like this now, also it will work. Okay, if you are giving a hash mark, to make it in a bold. Okay, if you are not giving any hash mark, just you have been taken a markdown and you started writing we will write some para. Okay, and shift enter, hold shift then enter to execute, so it will take in a normal text. Okay, so by default our thing will be in a code. In case I need to make some note, what we will do, we will turn this into the markdown. Okay, when I need to write some title or heading like that, within a code some comment to be written, we have a different technique for that. There is a difference between a comment and your syntax. Okay, so how to do that one, we will learn in a coming session.